The Warriors have won 3 of 4. Outside of 3, and it's on the stretch. Curry to the trailing McGee. And no one in his way as he drops a hammer. Oh, what a they come inside and a beautiful wild pass. First, it's Curry. Wallace is on him. Got by Rivers. Good if it goes.
Ball didn't move as much for the Clippers.
I agree.
Durant ends the Clipper run emphatically. Steph's going to get a running start. Drop that 3. Good!
Team down 30 and 26 overall. What a pass. Curry to McGee. Picked up by Jordan. Knocked away by Curry. And fired. Hits the trailing the ring. The bumping at Thompson. They go the other way. Members, Iguodala, Pachulia, and down pass. Here comes Green, right away from Trump.
That switch they've been getting.
It's Curry floating in for 2.